Where do our thoughts start from? Our very first thought in the morning is usually the thought I slept with last night. And the last thoughts before I slept were of lists that I wanted to complete but could not get around to, worry for things not going the way I want them to, regret for people or things missing from my life, pain caused by lack of health or living in situations I'm not happy in, upset with life not going the way I wanted to, anxiety about something I'm looking to have in my life but unsure about the outcomes. It is like running a relay with myself and handing myself the baton of survival every morning to pick up where I leave off every night. And every day this adds more of the same pain, regret, upset and anxiety to the day. For years, this is how life has been adding up drop by drop by drop. Let's look at what this does to the inner being. I think I'm living each day as a new day, but let's look a little deeper. I'm doing the same routine work, kids, office, home, projects, calls, clients, timelines, activities. Let's review the emotions. Worry, anxiety, pressure, upset, should have done this, must do this, have to do that, need to complete that. This is left, I still need to get that, I forgot to complete this. The same thoughts are literally playing a merry-go-round in our head. By the end of the week, I'm exhausted, I'm tired, drained and frustrated. I'm out of energy and drive and my mind is completely exhausted. What do I need now? I need to take a break. Go out, meet my friends, have a few drinks, dance my troubles away, watch a movie and pull my energy back. But in reality, I'm not dealing with the issue. Instead, I'm finding a quick fix. And that's why I need this fix every weekend. I may not be resolving the root issue, but fixing the symptom. Over a period of time, the mind has made a pattern that after a week of working, I am stressed and I need a stress buster. But the challenge is, it's not a stress buster, it's a stress avoider. This stress now slowly starts to make its way and settle in some parts of the body, the back, the neck, the eyes, the head, or sometimes even the heart. Hence, we start developing physical symptoms like stiff neck, pain in the back, headaches, tiredness, gas trouble, lack of drive, etc. And in some cases, worse impacts like gastro diseases, depression, diabetes, thyroid, and even heart attacks. And this is just the first impact. Let's move forward and understand what are the other impacts. Now, every day, by default, the same thoughts from yesterday are unconsciously being handed over to my present. The same fears put all my past into the future, and hence life starts looking like a string of pearls of pain. And hence the direct impact is a life that is unexcited, unhappy, and unfulfilled. I feel once I get that promotion, that increment, that car or that house or that jewelry or even that lover or partner, life would be fulfilled and happiness would be available. And there starts my struggle to run after the worldly pleasures, thinking that since everyone else is running after them, I'm also going to find bliss, find peace and find my fulfillment once I find them. Everyone I see around is also in the same race, so I feel I'm running the right race. Unfortunately, we got into a game that does not exist. I used to see everyone around me running the same race, and I find myself that I ran it for 20 years before realizing that the race has no finish line. The only out I found was when I found a guru, someone who showed me that this race would never finish. I would hit my finish line before the race ends. This guru is not necessarily a man or a woman. It can be a book, it can be a coach, a video, anything that connects you to your own self. Anyone who shows you that the direction most of us are headed is not leading to any destination but is taking us round and round in circles. My journey has just started. and I'm still figuring it out. But the difference I see is that along the way, I have fun, I have happiness and fulfillment and bliss. I don't need to buy a car, get a promotion, a hefty bank balance to feel bliss. Find your guide before the race ends for you. Thank you for listening to me. Have a great life.